Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, sit. Thank you. Sit, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, children, we have already learned about money chapter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Anyone can say me why you are using money? What is the need of money in life? You have to say in English, okay? Why you are using money? Yes, Mukti.
We are using money to buy things.
Yes. Anyone else? Adya sir.
We need money to buy something or to.
Yes. Okay, sit. Only not to buy, only to buy thing we have to need money. See, we are using money to buy or sell also, right? We are using money to buy or sell some goods, whatever our needs, daily needs and our services. Okay, any good and services you can buy, and the money is act as the medium of exchange, right? With the money, using money you can exchange something, right? Okay, now tell me what is the cost price and what is selling price? Do you know what is cost price? Yes, anyone? What is cost price? Cost price. Say, Mukti.
Cost price means what is the real price of the thing you want to buy.
Yes, cost price. What is the cost price? See there. It is the price at which one object or something bought. Okay, it is the price at which something bought, right? That is the cost price. Okay, and what is the selling price? Yes, Sonakshi.
The price at which it is sold
Yes, good.
is called the
Selling price. The price at which the same thing we can sell, right? So, cost price, it is the price at which one object or something is bought, and what is selling price? Price at which it can sold. Okay, selling price, the price at which the same object can sold. Okay. Okay, today we'll do one money activity. Okay, are you ready, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'll call one as a shopkeeper. Okay, Aditya, come here. Okay, you are going for the shop, right? We are going for shop. One shopkeeper is there from which you can buy the things. Come here, stand here. Everyone sit in a place. I'll call one by one. Everyone sit in a place. Okay, see, here are some things, right? Okay, here you can see some things, right? And Aditya is here the shopkeeper. Okay, he will act as shopkeeper. And these things Aditya also bought from some shop, right? Yes or no? Yes, some wholesale. Wholesale you can find some. Means he can buy from the with all these things with the low price. Okay, that is the wholesale, right? So from that wholesale he bought all these things with low price and will sell to you. Okay, and one by one will come. See here. Here one perfume is there, one torch is there, one diary is there, one pen and one key ring. Yes, keychain. Okay, now I'll call anyone. Sonakshi, come. If you can come here. If देखो अभी तुमको क्या करना है, अभी ठीक से रेट काउंट करके बताना है, ठीक है, रेट काउंट करके बताना. And here see some monies are, all the types of money are there. Okay, all the rupees. Stand there, stand inside. So I took here all kind of rupees. Okay, all the monies are there. 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 4 rupees. Okay, 5, 10. Okay, Aditya, tell me what rupees are there? 1 rupee, 2 rupees,
5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees,
500 rupees. Okay. Okay, these all the monies are there, and you have to come here, and who will count the current money only, you have to give these things. Okay, whatever she will choose. Okay, so what do you want Sonakshi to buy? Kitchen. Okay, see what is the money there? Aditya, say to her.
240.
240. तो तुमको क्या करना है? 240 काउंट करके आदित्य को देना है. ठीक है, करेंटली 240 काउंट करके, हाँ, you choose your money, currently you have to count and give to Aditya so that he can sell you. You count that, count the money. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
240, right? Okay, then you can give. Okay, say thank you. Okay, so what is the cost price of that keychain Sonakshi bought? 240. Okay, go. Now Sadapriya, come. What you want, Sadapriya?
The torch.
Torch. Okay. Aditya, say what is the money of the torch?
525.
525. You count the money exact 525, then you give to Aditya. Okay. Okay, so what rupee you took that?
500 rupees, 20 rupees and 5 rupees.
Okay, 1 500, 1 20 rupees and 1 5 rupees. So all together it is 525. Give to. Okay, what is the price of this pen?
80 rupees.
80 rupees. You take exactly 80. Count and take. You can take, but the combination is 80 rupees. Okay? Count that properly. Count.
15, 20, 10 and 80 rupees.
Okay. Okay. Properly. Okay. What you want? Diary. What is the money of the diary? Exact. Say that.
390.
390. You have to count the money 390 and give to Aditya. 390. You take. 300. 300 how can make? Don't laugh here. Don't know? Huh? Then how can buy if you don't know how to count? Go. Mukti, come. Stop noise here. This diary you have to buy. Okay, 390.
390.
Count.
Ma'am, 390.
Count that it is exactly 390 or what?
300. Yes, ma'am.
390. So what type of rupees you are say just what rupee it is making 390?
2
Okay, so 390. How we can make 390? Okay, so 200. Okay, 200 plus 100, 300. Then 350, 50 rupees. 350 plus 20, 350 plus 20, 370. 370 plus 20, 390. Got you now? It is 3. Okay, so you give. Okay, next one, Biswajit, come. Now only the perfume is there. Okay, what is the price of perfume, say, Aditya?
1030.
1030. 1000 how can make? How can make 1000? 1000 means 500 you can take. 1000, right? 1030. Okay, 500 you can take. 1030. 30 how can you can make? 120 or 10? Okay, now you count the money. Biswajit, you count the money. 1500 plus 500. 1000, then 20 plus 10. Okay, 1030. Okay. So you got the correct answer too, other way. Okay, sit properly everyone. Okay, so at what money he sold, no? What you will say that? Cost price. Okay, at what price he sold all that, that is the selling price. At what price you bought the thing, that is the cost price. Okay, now we will go to for the profit. What we can say? Profit. What is the profit? Profit, anyone can say? What is profit? Profit क्या है? राजश्री, हाँ. Yes, the gain in money means if the selling price, that we will call that is profit. Okay. If the selling price greater than cost price. Selling price will say SP greater than cost price CP. Okay, if the selling price greater than cost price, then that we will say that is profit or gain in money. Okay, so what is the loss? How you can get loss? If the selling price is less than the cost price, then we will say that is loss of money. Right? Sit there, good. If the SP, selling price will say SP, if the SP less than the cost price. Okay, if SP selling price is less than cost price, then you can say that it is the loss of money. Okay, right? How you can get profit then? Selling price, how can get profit? Selling price minus cost price. Sorry, selling price, yes, selling price minus cost price. Okay, so loss how can get?
Selling price plus cost.
No, it is the selling price minus, if you have to check that if selling price is, means if we have to find first selling price, cost price. If it is selling price minus cost price, if you will find, that is the, if selling price greater than CP means we will get profit. Okay, if we will do this minus, we cannot do, no, selling price if it is less, we cannot do, right, that is the loss. Okay. Okay, now I will go for one example. Open your book everyone. Okay, now आदित्य ने क्या, आदित्य ने बहुत सारे चीज बेची, right? Okay, now you have to answer me. One question I am writing. Aditya bought one pen at the price 320 rupees. Okay, and he sold to his friend the pen at 390 rupees. Okay, what is the question? Aditya bought one pen at the price 320 and he sold to his friend the pen 390. So can you say me this is the profit or loss?
Ma'am, profit.
Profit. How can say that this is profit? What is the selling price here? First tell me.
Ma'am, 390.
390. What is the cost price?
320.
So cost price here is 320. Selling price is? What is the selling price? 390. 390. So here the gain of money is there or the loss of money?
Ma'am, gain of money.
Gain of money. And the gain of money will say that is
Profit.
profit. So profit how we can get?
Ma'am, buying it.
SP minus CP. So what is the SP here? 390 minus 320. So how what is the price we will get here? What is the profit? 390 minus 320.
Ma'am, 70.
70 rupees. So what is the profit he got? 70 rupees. Okay. If the, so here if the selling price greater than cost price will get profit. If the selling price is less than cost price will get loss. Understood now everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how you like this activity everyone? Nice. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you.